So, in this video, we are going to see about insert, select, update, and delete queries. Okay, that is the DML statements. In the previous video, we saw DDL statements. If you didn't watch that video, please watch that video and then come back to watch this video. Okay, it's just a continuation of the previous video. First, we will see insert command. Okay, so insert command or query, insert query is used to insert values into the table. Already we have created a table called student. Okay, we have renamed it STU. In this table, we are going to insert the values. After inserting, we will try to update the values, and then we'll try to display the values in different. And then finally, we will delete few statements and see how it works. Okay, the first query is insert query. To insert values into the table, you need to know all the columns in our table. So we have 4 columns in our table. One is register number, name, age, and email. Before going into the insert query, these are the data types that is available in MySQL. So we already saw integer data type. Okay, integer and character. So here we have integer and character. And also varchar. There are several other data types also, like decimal for floating point or decimal numbers. We have date. Okay, if our column is going to be in the date format, like date of birth, date of joining, for that you can use date. And if it is going to be time, then you can use time. There is also date and time data type, year data type, text, blob is for binary type, and enum and set. These are the different data types which you can have in MySQL. Now going back to our MySQL, so this is our table. Now we are going to insert the values. Insert into, see the query carefully, insert into table name. And I'm going to mention all the columns here. This is an optional step. If you want, you can give all the column names, or else you can completely skip this column names. Okay. If you are going to insert values for all the columns in your table, then you can perfectly skip this. If not, if you are going to insert values only for 2 columns or 3 columns, at that time you have to mention mention the columns into which you want to enter the values. Okay, we'll see that step also. So now it's all the 4 columns. Values is the keyword. Do not forget this. And now I'm going to give all the first is register number, comma, name. For character, you have to use single quotes. For integer, you need not use single quotes. In register number, name, age, and email ID. Again, you should use quotes here. Yes. So the row has been created. Again, you can insert some more rows. At this time, I'm skipping that column name. Let's see whether it works. Yes. This time I'm only going to give register number and name. I'm going to skip age and email. At this time, you have to mention the columns. Okay, because you need to specify to which columns the value should be inserted. Okay. 3. Age and email ID. Okay, I've just given register number and name. Yes. So let me go and display this table. So for displaying any table, the very famous query is the select query. Select start. Here star means all, the entire table. Okay, so select star from table name. See, the table is printed here. First Abhi, all the values are there. For Arun, all the values are there. For Anu, I have given only the register number and name. So for age and email, it's null. Okay, so now we have used two queries. One is insert query and another one is select query. See, the insert query we have used in three variations. Okay, in the first thing we have used column names of all the columns and the values. Okay, so if you are going to insert values for all the columns, you can skip this. In the last type, what I have done is have inserted value only for the first two columns. So that is why I'm mentioning the column name here. If you don't mention the column name, then it will be difficult for the compiler to, it will be difficult for the interpreter to find out to which column these values should be inserted. Okay, so always mention the column names if you are going to skip some columns. Okay, hope you got this. If you don't understand, please put it in the comment box. I'll explain it again in the further videos. It's very simple. If you are going to insert values for all the columns, then don't give the column name. If you want to skip some columns, then give the column names to which you want to insert the values. Okay, as simple as that. Then for printing the values, printing the entire table, you can use this query. Select star from table name. So the entire table will be printed. So there are different variations also. Suppose if you want to print the students whose age is greater than 19. Okay. So how you can give this query? Select star from table name where is used when you want to specify any condition. So here what is my condition? I want to display the values for whom the age is greater than 90. Okay, so where age greater than 19. See, I've got only the values whose age is greater than 19. You can also sort the values based on any column. Okay, so first I'll sort based on name, order by name is the query. So Abhi, Anu, Aru. So it's sorted. You can also sort by age. So null comes first, then 19, 20. Okay, there are more variations here. Select star from student where age is equal to 19. Okay, there may be situations where you don't remember your student name, okay, where you will know only the first character. Okay, I remember only the first character of my student. Okay, I know that the first character is A, but I don't know his or her name. So at that time, what can I do? Okay, there is also a query to do that. Select star from table name. You can use wildcard characters to do this. There are two wildcard characters. One is percentage and another one is underscore. So as I told you, I know the first character, but I don't know the rest of the characters. Student where name. Okay, we are going to work with names here. So name, like is the keyword used for wildcard characters. Like within quotes A. I know the first character. I don't know the rest of the characters. So I'll give percentage. So everything in A will be displayed. So in my table, I have only the values with A, so everything is printed. We can try it using second character. Okay, I know the second character is B, but I don't know what is the first character, and I don't know the rest of the characters. Okay, in such situation, okay, I know my second character is B, I don't know the rest of the characters, and I don't know what is the first character. Okay, for only one character you can use underscore. One character, one underscore. If you want two characters, if you don't know two characters, you can use two underscores. If you don't know how many number of characters, then you can use percentage. Okay, hope you understood this. See, first character I don't know, but I know second character is B. And after that I don't know how many characters. So here this only name with second character as B is Abhi. So that is printed here. If you have lot of values in your table, then you can understand this easily. I'll try inserting some more values and then I'll show you. Okay, now I have inserted some more values in the table. Okay, so ignore the register number here. Go back to the previous query. So where I know my second character is A, and I don't know my first character and the rest of the characters. So see here, all the values with second character A is printed here. Okay, and I know my last character, but I don't know the rest of the characters. See, the last character is I don't know the rest of the characters. So these are the few queries which you need to know. Okay, using where clause, you can give conditions like age greater than, or you can also easily find out the email IDs also with this. Okay, age in the employee table, if you want to find out whose salary is greater than 50,000, greater than 20,000, you can use this query very easily using where. Okay, so try these queries with different tables in different formats so that you can easily understand it. Okay, the final query is the update query. So if you see the table, I have two null values here. I'm going to change the value here. So for that, I'll use update query. Okay, so update table name set age is equal to 18. To whom I should set age equal to 18? Where I'll give name. Okay, name is Anu. Where name is equal to Anu. So if I print, yes, my value is updated. I can also do it for email ID. Email is equal to anu@gmail.com. This time I'll use with register number. Okay, the condition I'll use as register number. Register number is equal to 103, right? So let's see whether this is working. Yes. Yes. So in this video, we saw insert query, select query, and update query. So in insert and select query, we saw different variations. So please try it with different tables. Create an employee table or create some other tables like invoice table where with different columns and with different data, and try retrieving values in different ways. Okay, so that you will understand it much more better. Now we'll see delete query. You can delete a particular row in the table. Suppose if I want to delete the rows whose age is 20. Okay, what I will do is delete from table name where age is equal to 20. Done. So 20, whose age is 20, is deleted here. 101 record is deleted. Same way you can delete the name where name is equal to Pavani. So delete is very simple. Again, in delete you can use different conditions and delete the records. So that's all about the basic queries. In the next video we will see how to create tables with constraints. Okay, primary key, unique constraint, foreign key, all this we'll see in the next video. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and the like button. Thank you so much for watching the video.